Elias here at Boulder Ridge Country Club Bar. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to do my personal favorite cocktail, the Manhattan. Now, some may tell you a multitude of stories of where the Manhattan originated. Some might say it came from New York City's famous Manhattan Club. Others may say it originated in a bar off of Broadway. Or some just may say that it's named after the borough itself. But all will tell you that it's a perfect cocktail for the middle of winter. The Manhattan has 3 simple ingredients: whiskey, sweet vermouth, or bitters. Now, Manhattan can be made with either rye or bourbon whiskey. The difference between the two is rye is going to give you more of a spicier, drier taste, where the bourbon's going to give you more of a full-bodied, sweeter taste. I personally prefer the rye, but everybody has their own personal opinion. So today, I'm going to be going with my favorite Bullet Rye whiskey. First off, we're going to start by putting 2 ounces of rye into the glass. Next, we're going to put in 1 ounce of sweet vermouth. To finish it off, we're going to put a few dashes of Angostura bitters. We're going to take our mixing spoon and we're going to mix our Manhattan together. I can already smell that smooth aromatic texture. We are almost there. We are going to fill our glass with ice. And we're going to top our Manhattan off with 3 black cherries. That is the signature here at Boulder Ridge. Black cherries are not only delicious, but a great source of vitamins as well. Cheers!